Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Premiere Pro title graphics with brand fonts step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Select the timeline where you want to add title graphics. Go to the graphics workspace by clicking on Window in the top menu, then selecting Workspaces and choosing Graphics. In the Essential Graphics panel, click on New Layer and choose Text. This will create a new text layer. Now, type your desired title in the preview window. To customize your font, go to the Essential Graphics panel on the right. Click on the Font drop-down menu and scroll through to find your brand font. If your brand font isn't available, you need to install it first. Download your brand font from a trusted source and open the font file. Click Install Font on the font window to add it to your system. Return to Premiere Pro and refresh your fonts by clicking on the text layer again. Select the brand font you just installed from the Font drop-down menu. Adjust the font size by dragging the size slider or entering a specific value. You can change the text color by clicking on the color box under the Appearance section. Experiment with text positioning by dragging the text box in the Program Monitor. For more effects, explore the shadow and stroke options in the Essential Graphics panel. Once you're satisfied with your title graphic, ensure it fits the video style and message. To save your title as a template, click on the Export as Motion Graphics Template option. Name your template and save it to your preferred location for future use. Finally, review your title graphics in the timeline to ensure everything looks perfect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.